Today, we're talking about nerve damage. Whether you're dealing with conditions like peripheral neuropathy, tingling, numbness, or recovering from an injury, certain natural drinks can play a role in supporting your body's healing processes. Sip your way to health. 7 drinks that can repair nerve damage. Drink number 1. Turmeric Golden Milk. Let's start strong with the classic anti-inflammatory powerhouse, turmeric golden milk. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is both an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. This can help reduce nerve inflammation and promote repair. Recipe: 1 cup unsweetened plant-based milk, almond, oat, etc. 1 teaspoon ground turmeric. Half a teaspoon ground ginger. A generous dash of black pepper. Pinch of cinnamon. Optional, a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Instructions: gently heat the ingredients in a saucepan, whisking together until smooth and warm. Drink number 2. Green tea. Our next drink is a simple but potent choice, green tea. It's loaded with antioxidants called polyphenol, especially one called EGCG. These are amazing for protecting against nerve cell damage and encouraging the growth of new nerve fibers. Dip a high-quality green tea bag in hot water, not boiling, for 2 to 3 minutes. Enjoy it warm and try to have a couple of cups a day. Drink number 3. Beetroot juice. Okay, let's get vibrant with beetroot juice. Beets are rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is super important for relaxing blood vessels and increasing blood flow, beneficial for circulation and getting nutrients to your nerves. Recipe: 1 medium beet. 1/2 an apple for sweetness. A knob of fresh ginger. Thoroughly wash and juice the ingredients. You can dilute the juice with some water if you find it too strong. Drink number 4. Bone broth. Now for something deeply nourishing, bone broth. While not strictly a drink to sip on, bone broth is rich in collagen, glycine, and other building blocks crucial for tissue repair, including that of nerves. It's also packed with minerals that support overall nerve health. Recipe: look for high-quality, slow-simmered bone broth or try making your own. You can enjoy it as a warm beverage or use it as a base for soups and stews. Drink number 5. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is another antioxidant superstar. Its unique polyphenol are fantastic for promoting healthy circulation and protecting nerve cells from damage. Opt for pure pomegranate juice with no added sugars. Drink number 6. Chamomile tea. While the earlier drinks focus more on physical aspects, let's not forget the mind-body connection. Chamomile tea is incredibly soothing. It helps reduce anxiety and can promote better sleep, both of which are incredibly important when your body is dealing with nerve damage. Simply leave a chamomile tea bag for several minutes and enjoy it warm before bed. Drink number 7. Water. Okay, this last one might seem obvious, but hydration is critical. Our nerves need proper fluid balance to function correctly. If you're dehydrated, you might experience worsened symptoms. So be sure to aim for those 8 glasses of water a day. And there you have it, 7 incredible drinks that can support your journey with nerve repair. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these into your daily routine alongside a balanced diet and doctor-recommended treatments. Did you find this information helpful? Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's share this video to help others who might benefit. Thanks for watching.